1729 forecast.
Well, as you get up and get out on this Sunday morning, here's what kind of weather you can expect. And hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. As you plan your day, we'll have some areas of fog. Well, that's lifting now. We'll have hot sunshine at midday, temperatures rising quickly from the 60s, 70s, mid 80s at lunchtime, approaching 90 by 2 to 4 p.m. That'll be our daytime high. And then by the evening hours, late day, early evening, I can't rule out an isolated storm. So outdoor plans, hiking, mountain biking, heading out to the trails or perhaps the pool, a picnic, or to the lake, well, watch that western sky because there could be one or two, literally one or two storms pop up. Temperatures are pleasant in the 60s and the 50s, 59 Harrisonburg, 62 right now in Charlottesville. Looking back at yesterday, we had a soaking rain as expected, mainly east of the Route 15 corridor, more towards I-95. That is 1 to 3 inches of rainfall according to Doppler estimates. For the majority of us, well, we picked up enough to dampen the ground. We could use a lot more rain for our lawns, our gardens, but we only picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain. That's a ground dampening shower in Charlottesville yesterday at the airport. And in the valley, yeah, it stayed dry all day long. Now, NBC 29's live Doppler radar network. There goes the live radar beams. Sweeping the Commonwealth, coming back completely rain-free, but by the end of the day, there might be 1 or 2 showers begin to pop up. There goes the rain showers up the Jersey Shore that gave some of us some rainfall. I'm watching the difference in heating from the mountaintop to the valley floor. We get those air circulations, and that will promote a shower and storm to form in the heat and humidity later on today. First across the Alleghenies and the Potomac Highlands, and then they'll slowly drift eastbound towards I-81 and maybe as far east as Central Virginia on towards Sunset. We'll see about that. Until then, the most active weather across the country is across the northern plains, western Great Lakes, upper Midwest. That's the severe weather zone from Wisconsin down into the Missouri Valley. For us, we're in a general thunderstorm risk, not expecting organized storms or severe weather anytime soon. Our high-res forecast model shows hot sunshine at midday as that fog lifts here now. Here's 6 p.m. When you join us for the evening news, I'll be tracking a couple of downpours, especially over areas of Rockingham, Augusta, Harrisonburg, and Stanton. And then some of that may try to make its way over the Blue Ridge into Central Virginia, but the farther east you go, the more stable the atmosphere becomes. So the storms will begin to fade away. Here's tomorrow, same thing. Literally 1, 2, maybe 3 downpours get going, but they're going to be small, few, and far between. Don't count on a lot of rainfall for your lawn and garden this week. Now, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be an August heat wave. Yes, it's August. It's supposed to be hot. We know that. Our average high is 88 degrees. But looking forward, Monday through Friday, we're going to have highs in the low to mid 90s. Now, when I post 95, 94 degrees, that's in the shade where official temperatures are taken. With the heat index, what it will feel like when you combine the temperature and the humidity, it'll feel more like 100 to 102 degrees in the afternoon over Central Virginia, middle part of the week. So take it easy if you have to work outside this week. Until then, today's forecast, sunshine will give way to a few clouds, a spotty storm risk, highs of 85 to 90 degrees. Overnight, any shower will fade away, lows in the 60s, some fog at daybreak. Monday's forecast, overall, it's a rain-free day for much of the area. I think 98% of the region will be rain-free on Monday. So it's hazy, it's more hot, a little more humid, highs upper 80s and low 90s. 7-day forecast, hotter with hit or miss storms. I think there's more misses than hits when it comes to rainfall through midweek. It's all about the heat. In the 90s by day, 80s and 70s at night with a couple of those hit and miss showers and storms. And then as we go towards a week from now, we'll finally break out of the heat wave, but that is definitely a heat wave. That is 3 days or more of 90+ heat, and that is definitely going to be hotter than average for the next week or so.
All right, Josh, so it looks like if you have the opportunity to get near a body of water, swim, go fishing, do something like that, this would be the week to do it.
I'm sinking. The temperatures.
The temperatures are going up. Josh is sinking down.
That happened yesterday, but it was a commercial break.
Good morning.
Yes. What were you saying now? Yeah, if you're going to be near the water, watch that western sky, because when thunder roars, go indoors. You don't want to be around water, obviously, when there's thunder and lightning.
Okay.
But those storms are going to be few and far between.
Gotcha. Yeah, one thing I want to do now that, you know, I'm One thing now that we, are able to get back outside, one thing I want to do is go to the Rivanna River and float down the Rivanna River. That looks like a lot of fun. Have you done that at all?
River,
James River too.
A lot of people do that.
Okay.
But the water levels are fine now because we've had so much lack of rain. But as we go into the next few days, I don't see widespread soaking showers in our immediate forecast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. Good to know. Well, this sounds like a lot of fun.